What we're going to do today is we're going to talk to you all about safety.
Farm safety.
Farm safety. You know, and this is where Arthur comes in.
1, 2, 3.
Never climb trees near overhead wires. Don't fly kites near electric wires.
Why is it you wouldn't fly kites near electric wires?
Because they'll get a hole through them and they won't be able to fly.
And if they got stuck up there, what would you do? You would tell?
And somebody,
And somebody, who would you tell in your own house?
your daddy or mommy.
If you see a gate and there's always a sign on it that the farmer should have, it's beware of the bull.
There's no sign on where the bull is in my house.
Oh, what are you going to do about that? So slurry, what happens in a slurry? Where does slurry come from?
Cows.
Cows where?
Cows.
Cows. What? 100%.
Slurry pit is in the field.
The slurry pit's in the field. And do you go near the slurry pit? No, why not?
You could fall into it and drown.
That's right. You could fall into it and drown. And that's why we can't go near it. And it's really important for people who don't come up from a farm, that visit a farm, that they know that as well. Who would you ring if there was an emergency? Or who would you tell if an emergency with overhead wires or?
Who would you tell in your own house?
My mom.
Who? And? Mom and?
Dad.
If the driver can't see you, you can't see him.